Gonna make a simple camp knife out of some 1095 stock. Okay, we got the cutout. Let's start sanding and grinding. Let's go. We got all the grinds out. Okay, son. Putting this knife in the forge, son. Let's go. There she is. After heat treat, a little grinding, and the mark. Camp knife. Now it's time to grind in the bevel. Okay, got our handle ready to go on. Everything fits properly. Let's glue her up. Let's glue her up, man. All glued up, ladies and gentlemen. All glued up, waiting for it to dry. Black spacers. Oh yeah. Gotta make it to the hand sander. I don't need an excuse to come here. I don't even need a knife to come here. Alright, skip to the reveal. So the camp knife's all finished. Here it is. We did gold honeycomb. Came out really nice. Brass pins. Handle feels really good. I'm gonna do the mustard patina now. Well, we got another great build. What can I say? I'm into the mustard patina. There it is. I did a high polish on this one. 2000 grit. Buffed it out. Then did the patina over that. Oh, man. Not quite mirror, but almost. Did brass pins. Feels really, really, really good in the hand. My hand, anyway. It's a great, great knife. Great knife. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.